Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to easily add background music to your Canva presentation. First, open your presentation and go to the Elements tab. Scroll down to Audio, then click See All to browse the music library. Find the perfect track, then simply click and drag it below your slides to the music drop zone. To adjust the length, hover over the end of the music clip until you see a double arrow, then drag to shorten or extend it. Double-click to select a specific segment of the music. Click and drag to position it under the slides where you want background music. Finally, customize your audio with fade-in, fade-out effects and adjust the volume for a polished finish. That's it. Now your Canva presentation has professional background music. Thanks for watching.